Alright, here's part 2 of the box break. I did pull the autograph, but Paul Host, his Prince Fowler, Jason Bay, Jason Verlander, his a blue rookie card number 165 out of 500. Vernon Wells, Kevin O'Doyne, Ryan Peel, Brandon Bush, and there. Alright. Here's Johan Santana, Lyle Ogilvy, Chihade Oguchi, Paul Host, Jason Bay, Clay Harris, gold rookie card. There's Neil Sellers, Jared Burton, and Nangle, and Fortenberry. Is Sowers, Orlando Hudson, Kenny Rogers, Michael Barrett, Jermaine Dye, Terry Hearn, Jesse Litch, Jeremy Palbobon, is John Gregg, and McMeans, Darren McMeans. Chuck James, Bill Hall, Jeff Florentino, Jeff Kent, Chipper Jones, Ching-Ming Wang, Jay Sawatsky, Rainer Batista, Yamed Yima, and Azabed, I guess. Frank Thomas, Derek Jeter, Matt Susaka. This is rookie card. Okay, Mike Cameron, Mark Tehan. Is Matt Goodson. Okay, Corey Strait, Sean Thompson, Lucas French, and Scott Beal. To go. Carlos Beltran, John Lieber, Jose Contreras, Lance Berkman, CC Sabathia, Ryan Sweeney, and the checklist, Randy Wells, Clay Harris, Neil Musa, Jesus Flores, Brian Roberts, Jeff Baker, Garrett Atkins, Victor Martinez, Adrian Gonzalez, Scott Olson, Pedro Powell, Jay Gaffright as left green, and Lawrence. Oh man, more than 6 packs there. Alright, I have to shoot through these. Sellers. Okay, Martinez. Here's an A-Rod. Ken Griffey Jr. Gold. Carlos D. Abreu, Gibson. I don't like I'm gonna have enough time on this one, so I'll just keep going until it stops. There's another A-Rod. Gold Figgins. Jeter, Thomas. Another Max Usaka. Holiday. No Max Usaka on the phone. Video Drew, there's another A-Rod. Chris Young. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to cut it. Alright, time to cut.